Hello everyone, I am 𝗏𝗂𝗰𝗵𝗂𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 representing Keravit Vitrified LLP, a trailblazer in manufacturing since 1982. We are globally renowned for our product, double-charge vitrified tiles, edge vitrified tiles, slab tiles, sanitary ware, wall tiles, and more. We are export globally, more than 20 countries. Our mission and vision always has been satisfy our customer by delivering latest product with top-notch quality. Imagine manual confusion, complex workforce management and communication hurdles. So, Keravit needed a solution to move forward. Our search for an efficient HR solution led us to Serpent CS. Positive review from similar companies confirmed, and that's how we found our solution. Serpent CS understood Keravit's need. HRMS, automated processes, smooth communication, ensured compliance, and enhanced workforce management.
Serpent CS HRMS helps us to improve labor data management and documentation. Thank you.
Post-implementation, it's been a game changer. Streamlined onboarding, efficient performance management, it has elevated Keravit's overall performance. In short, Serpent CS HRMS reshaped our HR practices. I recommended it to others looking to innovate their workforce management. So, I would say to boost efficiency and fuel growth, step into the future of HR with Serpent CS HRMS. Thank you.